is full of surprises, some good, some bad. There are moments of joy, others that make you sad. Finally, what matters is how you take it all. Keep the ball rolling, rise up if you fall. Everything we do depends on what we believe. Thoughts and beliefs reflect what we perceive. So it's time for some introspection. Time to look out for the self-deception. Once you realize and change the perception, and let there be a new projection of a brand called you, of a brand called you, of a brand called you, of a brand called you. I bet you have some value systems. What are your aspirations? Why do you think you're not good enough? Do you know to someone you're an inspiration? Open up to life and expand your vision. New possibilities are there over the horizon. So walk that road to self-discovery and help people see what you truly are. And if you peel off your inhibitions, the world will see the bright shining star. In a brand called you, in a brand called you, in a brand called you, in a brand called you.
Hello, hello, hello. A very good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Econstruct's online session. Today we are going to discuss certain things about the engineering drawings, how important it is basically the engineering drawings are there for any civil engineer. सो एक बात पूछनी थी मुझे आपसे कि कितने सारे लोगों को पता है कि जो भी आप ईटैप्स का मॉडल करते हो, जो भी आप रेविट का मॉडल करते हो, स्टैड प्रो का, सैप 2000 का, सारे जो मॉडल्स आप करते हो, तो क्या साइट के ऊपर मॉडल जाता है या साइट के ऊपर ड्राइंग्स जाता है? क्या जाता है साइट के ऊपर? तो ये जानना आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि साइट के ऊपर जो चीज़ जाती है वो दैट इज़ बेसिकली द इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग. सो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ बेसिकली to make sure that the engineering drawings are there in place. If the engineering drawings are not there in place, then you will have a lot of problems, guys. Okay, so let us see that what are the basically the engineering drawings, I mean to say, and what type of projects that you need to do, and all the things that are related to the projects and all. So I'd like to just show you few of the projects in which you will see certain things that are related to the drawings. Alright, so let's get started. Just give me a moment. Okay, so this is one particular drawing. This is architectural plan. Alright, so this is a basement. You can see that there is a basement here. There is a column here. Okay, so there are car parks. You can see that there is a staircase here. There is a lift here. There is a fire duct, staircase, and many other things. There are shear walls and all. So this is almost like 30-story building, which is there in Bhubaneswar actually, and such kind of projects you might require to solve it as a part of the civil engineer, structural engineer, or as a part of the BIM technologist. So how do you start with? How do you deal with this actually? So you need to create the drawings. Without drawings, actually you cannot even start. So what is that, these dimensions, what are the different things are coming. There is a toilet here, there is a house owners society assembly area, then there is a isolation room, there is a house owners this that and all. Actually you can see the lobby, there is a community center area, so there is a community center here and all. Actually you can see that there are certain openings are there. So you will see that many different drawings. So without drawings, actually you cannot go ahead. So there are interior panels also. You can see that there are interior panels here. There is a drawing here. There is a bedroom here. There is a toilet and balcony and all actually. So you'll see that these are the engineering drawings. So along with that, this is architectural drawing. Along with that, there are so many other types of drawings are there. But in the new technology, you will see that there is a model actually. You can see that there is a model here. So entire model will be there. And here actually, you will see that there is a 2D and there is a 3D. So in the 3D, you will see that there is a three-dimensional things are there. At the same time, if you want to capture the 2D out of this, actually, you can see that there is a 2D also. So you can just go down and you can see that there is a two-dimensional things are there for this particular floor. What is happening? Alright, as you go up, what all the new things are there? Where are the car parks? Where are the trees? How does it goes? Where are the columns, walls, doors, windows, staircase, how it goes, how the arrangement is happening? Where is a duct? So on the site, actually all these things are going on. Now basically this is the new area in which you will see that the such kind of things are there. But apart from this, actually there is another file actually in which I would like to show you that there are this kind of files are there. So this is architectural and structural things actually you wanted to see. See here. So you can see that there is an interior and all other things are there. There is a basement here. You can see that the basement plus at the ground, this is how it is. And this particular thing also you can see that actually how it is going down and where is what is happening, individual floors. So one floor, second floor, what is it, where is the toilet and all actually, what all the things are there. Okay, so this is the interior part. Alright, so where are the structural columns? Okay, so all these things, this is basically the drawing part. So engineering drawing is extremely important, guys. On the site, what is happening where? Where is architectural, where is structural, where is MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, firefighting, facade. All these things are extremely important. You can also do the walkthrough through this. You know the PUBG game? You can easily look at the walkthrough through this. You can actually go here. I'm not very used to this, but if you are good into PUBG kind of games, actually you can easily go through this like this. Alright. So you can easily go inside like this. What is happening? So you can go inside and see that how it is, fall ceiling, see up, go down, how it is, all these things. So if you are having basically all the interior things also, you can deal with this. So drawing part, how important it is, that's the topic today. So we will see that actually how the drawings are important. So let us see certain drawings actually. I've shown you this particular drawing. And few more drawings also I can show you actually, but before that I would like to showcase to you that engineering drawing actually we have came last time also. I told you that when it comes to the engineering actually what kind of things are there actually, drawing, drafting, looking exciting, this thing actually. Why? Because on the side this only goes. You can see that actually you can start your journey. A lot of stuff, I mean, like if you see that the design staff and the drafting staff, you need to keep the balance, because you need basically this is the new course that we have started, master study in engineering drawing and drafting. All right, so how you are going to create the architectural drawings, structural drawings, what are you going to study in this particular case, concept design, advanced studies, drafting, many things actually you will be studying here. So what are the things actually? I'll just add the epic pen here. So concept design plans, schematic plans, GFC. GFC is what actually it's a good for construction. And then RFIs. RFI is request for information, request for to process ahead, request for action, RFA. So how to handle this? How to create the various, coordinate between the different consultants. Basic site supervision also we will explain it to you. So these are the advanced drafting fundamentals. There are different codes are there. SP34, IS 13920, different codes which are given here. So there are some drawing codes, there are some detailing codes, there are certain softwares like AutoCAD is there, Revit architecture is there, Revit structure is there. These are the softwares that you will be studying thoroughly, very much thoroughly. Add-on softwares also will be teaching you, which is RCDC, CSI Detailer, BIM Collaborate Pro, Autodesk Construction Cloud. These are the add-on softwares, and what kind of projects that we will be working on is small villas, low-rise, mid-rise building, high-rise building, industrial buildings, clusters, steel, RCC, composite, PEB, shuttering designs and all. So this is a 6-month course actually. Anybody can join. Diploma person, BE person, BTech person, any particular graduate who are looking for drawing, drafting, I mean basically, the master study in engineering, drawing and drafting. This particular course, anybody is wishing and willing to join, actually this is the place actually you can have. So you can learn all these things. Another thing is, I'll tell you, welcome to the on-job learning actually. Unless and until you start working on the actual live projects, actually you will not be getting inside this. So many people, they learn only certain tools, basically line command, arc command, this command, that command and all actually. Unless and until you work on the live project which I shown you like this here, you work on this kind of live project, or how I'm going to detail this particular false ceiling, how am I going to detail basically, the columns, where are the walls, the thicknesses of the walls, the GFC drawings of all this actually. How am I going to do that? Yes. Are you going to study only this is basically the Autodesk Construction Cloud. What this entire thing actually you are looking at it as actually, it is Autodesk Construction Cloud. Okay, so bear me a pardon actually, I'm just going to open the one thing actually, because I think the epic pen is not getting on. So I think I have to end the task and restart it again, I guess. Yes, thank God. So you can see that over here false ceiling is there, this is there. So sometimes there is a clash. So are you going to look at this like this? Where is the button here? What is this line for? What kind of design you are going to give here on this particular wall, on this wall also? Can we keep some ton granite here so that the texture would be okay? Now, can you see one problem out here actually? Yes, in the chat box, if you can give some problem, there is a very big problem in this particular model. In the chat box में बताइए क्या problem है? Yes, can you please type it? Just type it up quickly, come on. The problem is actually, this is the floor level, and are you going to jump and go inside the lift? No. Why? Because you can see that the beam which is modeled here, it is accidentally modeled it as inverted beam. Okay, so such kind of things actually you can pick it up before it goes to the drawing part. Okay, so this model actually is going to help you in that. In every area you can see that how the beams are there. We can tell that can't this khatki, the basically the distance, can't we avoid this distance? Something like that actually. So certain things actually you can easily do that from here. You can see that. So this is a structural framing plan. Alright, so all these things before it goes to the site, actually you will be getting it over here. Now you can see that there is a this distance. So here we require certain walling. What are you going to do here? Correct. So queries, questions, and all these things you are going to learn. Right. So these are the models. So like that, on job, on the actual live project, actually you are going to study all this. Right. The next one is, I'll tell you what you are going to get. 100% guaranteed job. It is not actually the assistant or something like that. Guaranteed job. That's the first priority of Econstruct. Whenever you take the admissions, we give you 100% job guarantee. Only one thing is very important, that you should be having regular. You should be regular in doing this particular course, and you should be working on the project that we are giving it to you. These two things. Attendance more than 90% is required. Okay, right? So once you are given this, actually will make sure that you are going to get experience later. You are going to get 100% job guarantee. Okay, it is not assistant. I'll tell you, every few minutes we are getting the WhatsApp messages that we require requirement here. Either beam engineer चाहिए, either structural engineer चाहिए, either project manager चाहिए, इधर assistant engineer चाहिए, इधर environmental engineer चाहिए. तो काफ़ी सारे रिक्वायरमेंट्स हमारे पास है, एंड 50% भी हम लोग कोप अप नहीं कर पा रहे. वी कैनॉट सप्लाई देम द रियल मैन पावर. वाई? बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव दैट मेनी स्टूडेंट्स एक्चुअली. Alright, students means it's not the freshers. They do not need freshers. They need experienced people. Okay, how to gain the experience? आपके पास जॉब नहीं तो एक्सपीरियंस कैसे ले लेंगे? तो यू प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन द लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स विथ अस. देन ओनली यू कैन ग्रैब द एक्सपीरियंस, एंड द जॉब गारंटी के साथ आता है. डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी एंड जॉब गारंटी ऐसे नहीं है 20-25 हज़ार रुपये में चलो चिपका दिए की तरह, ऐसा नहीं रहता है. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट good quality jobs. Actually quality jobs generally 5 days a week आपका working रहेगा. कंपनी रहेगी, एटलीस्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी रहेगी, अच्छी कंपनी रहेगी. ओके, यू विल हैव अ चॉइस टू सिलेक्ट दैट विच कंपनी दैट यू आर. ऐसे नहीं, कॉलेज में क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में मैंने देखा है कि 2-3 ही कंपनी आई हैं, तो पहली कंपनी में जो अटेम्प्ट कर लेता है उसको सेकंड कंपनी में चांस ही नहीं देते. यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं होता है. ठीक है, यू गो फॉर दिस मेनी कंपनीज एंड यू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर गेटिंग द you can choose that which job is for you. All right, so you are going to work on the live project. Digital library 24/7 access would be there. Okay, all these things would be facilitated. Econstruct के लगभग सारे जो कोर्सेस है जिसमें 100% जॉब की गारंटी दी जाती है. Who will be eligible for this? Any diploma students. Diploma, BE BTech, ME MTech, any graduate, कोई भी BA BCom BSc कोई भी हो, ड्राइंग ड्राफ्टिंग करने के लिए कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट ये जो ME MTech है वो ऑप्ट ना करे ये कोर्स. प्लीज़ डू नॉट ऑप्ट इट फॉर दिस. एक्चुअली यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर द मास्टर स्टडी इन स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स. ड्राइंग ड्राफ्टिंग का जो कोर्स है, generally diploma students, BE BTech students, or any particular other graduate students, if they are applying, that is good for you. ME MTech करने के लिए ये course generally I would suggest not to opt. Alright, another thing is actually online में, offline में, hybrid में. hybrid यानी कुछ महीने इधर कुछ महीने घर पे. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन में यानी 100% यू विल बी देयर इन द ऑनलाइन. ऑनलाइन के ज़रिए आपको ये कोर्स कर सकते हो, ऑफलाइन के ज़रिए भी आप ये कोर्स कर सकते हो, हाइब्रिड के अंदर भी आप ये कोर्स कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो ये दिस इज़ द मोड ऑफ लर्निंग. रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट्स, कौन कौन से रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट्स के ऊपर आप काम करोगे, क्या क्या होगा उसमें? इंडस्ट्रियल रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस, स्टील, RCC, कंपोजिट, PEB स्ट्रक्चर, शटरिंग डिज़ाइन, ऑल दिस थिंग्स एक्चुअली विल बी लर्निंग. एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस विल बी गिवन, करियर एक्सेलरेशन विल बी देयर, लिस्ट ऑफ कंटेंट्स, क्या क्या सीखेंगे, एडवांस ड्राइंग ड्राफ्टिंग फंडामेंटल्स, दिस यू विल बी लर्निंग, plus code based knowledge, software based knowledge, different types of projects and all. Actually, if you are a graduate होना जरूरी है, or otherwise if you are a diploma from civil engineering or mechanical, electrical, then also you will be applicable for this, opting for this particular course. then you will see that what kind of engineering drawings are fundamental things that you will be learning: concept design, schematic design, detail design, plans, elevations, sections. GFC, good for construction drawing. Some people they call it as IFC. In Dubai they call it as IFC as a part of the GFC. Anyway, so this is RFI, RFP, RFA. Actually, what is the request for action, request for information, request for proposal, coordination between various consultants, architecture, structure, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire, facade, landscape, interior ID, interior designing, all other things actually will be explaining it to you in detail. You will see that the site supervision, how you can do, how the checklists are there, what are the things that you need to check, concepts plan, how to make the concept design, how to make the scheme, how to make the detailed design and all. Actually, you will be working as a buddy to the architects, engineers, structural engineers, project managers, etc. How to create the GFC drawings, good for construction drawing, बनाया कैसे जाता है, how to make the center line, how to make the grids, how to give the dimensioning, what are the CAD standards are there internationally approved, what are the different types of drawings actually, the scale and all. Actually, you start with A0, A1 sheet, A2 sheet, A3 sheet, how the scaling works, which drawing is better, how to do that. Actually, some people are using A4 only, but generally don't avoid. You can make the reporting in A4, but the drawings actually these three to four sheets are better. A3 is smallest one. Okay, you can go for A2 at least. Actually, if the project size is quite bigger, you can go for A0 also. Okay, then how to handle all this actually professionally, how to handle this. Okay, so these are also varied variety of different communication skills that you need to develop. You need to professionally do the communication with the WhatsApp group se nahi hota hai. You need to start creating the different teams, and through the teams there are certain streamlines are there through which you can do the communication and all. Actually, how to deal with that, all these things you will start. Then basic site supervision, how to do the basic site supervision. Basic site supervision कैसे होता है, क्या क्या चेक करता है. स्लैब कास्टिंग करने के लिए जाएंगे तो क्या होता है, what is the grade of concrete, grade of steel, how to check that, what is the bar diameter, how to check the bar diameter, whether the bars are correctly positioned there or not, what is the clear cover, what is the centroidal cover, how the bar bending wire actually has been used, is there a coupler, or you need to give the development length. All these things actually you will be studying in the site supervision areas and all actually. Alright, so site supervision, shuttering, bar bending, okay, and civil engineering code basic knowledge. What are the different codes actually? These are different codes you will be learning with IS 13920, IS 552025, IS 18168. Actually, this is basically the steel detailing structures and all actually. So all these things you will be learning. Drafting codes, these are the drafting codes you will be working on. What are the softwares like AutoCAD, Revit architecture, all these things. AutoCAD is 2D interface, 3D interface. Many people knows only the 2D part, they don't know the 3D part, but you definitely require the 3D also in many areas. We will teach you actually isometric and different views, 2D part also, how to set up the drawings, drawing commands, different modifications and all. Professional drawing creation, not like line, arc, this, that, command based knowledge, no, practical. You will be having residential, commercial, industrial, cluster projects, complex projects you will be handling actually, and then you will be started working with. Alright, different models, materials that you will be working on actually, and create the different modifications and all actually over here. You can see the families, different families that you need to create. Okay, families related to the architectural, related to the interiors and many other things. That also you need to start working. Then you will see that over documentation, what are the annotations, create the different details, components, demonstrate and understanding different phases and design options. Okay, what are the, how many documentation revisions are there, configuration of import, export, printing and other things, work with the different color themes and all actually. You will see the different views and all over here. Revit structure also. Revit architecture, the architectural arrangement will be there. Revit structure, the structural arrangement. Where is the slab, where is the beam, where is the column, foundation, steel structure, connection design. There is a shear connection, bending connection, shear plus bending connection, axial force connection, how to do the detailing, how to design basically the connections and all actually. So all these things we will try to help you to understand with how to do the collaborations between the different disciplines, documentation, many other things actually you need to know to get on to this. What are the add-on software also you should know is RCDC is one of the software, Revit, the CSI Detailer is another software, Autodesk Construction Cloud is another software. So through the Autodesk Construction Cloud, I have already demonstrated you such kind of projects. What are the different types of projects? RCC, steel, small villas, industrial buildings, residential building, commercial building, high-rise building, PEB. PEB is pre-engineered buildings, steel structures and RCC structures. So villas, what type of villas that you will be studying? So this type of villas, what type of industrial buildings will be there? So this type of industrial buildings, high-rise buildings, you will be working on such kind of high-rise buildings. ओके एक्चुअल में ये प्रोजेक्ट करोगे आप रियल में, ठीक है? तो ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स करने के लिए क्या करना है, ठीक है? जो नीचे दिए हुए नंबर जो है उसके ऊपर कांटेक्ट करिए. मेक श्योर दैट एक्चुअली यू आर वर्किंग विद दिस, यू विल बी नो लॉन्गर कॉल्ड एज फ्रेशर्स. फ्रेशर्स टैग एक गाली है इंजीनियर लोगों के लिए. आई एम अ फ्रेशर. 4 साल इंजीनियरिंग किया है, उसके पहले 12th तक साइंस का इतना डेप्थ में नॉलेज लिया है, फिर भी फ्रेशर है. ओके और सबसे बड़ी बात, ई-कंस्ट्रक्ट कभी भी डिस्काउंट नहीं देता है किसी को भी, ठीक है? लेकिन पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम एक्चुअली यू कंसिडर दिस एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट. ये 50% डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं हम लोग स्पेशल ऑफर के ज़रिए. और इस वीडियो में जो देख रहे हैं लोग, और ये स्पेशल ऑफर खाली 11 अप्रैल तक ही अलाउड है, उसके बाद में नहीं रहेगा. 11 ऑफ अप्रैल ओनली ये ऑफ़र है जो आपको 50% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स के अंदर, ठीक है? तो ये ड्राइंग ड्राफ्टिंग मास्टर स्टडी इन इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग का ये कोर्स है जिसके अंदर आपको 50% का तगड़ा डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है अगर आप टोकन अमाउंट 11 ऑफ अप्रैल के पहले दे रहे हैं तो, ठीक है? ये काफ़ी लिमिटेड ऑफ़र है. 11 के बाद 12 तक भी ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं रहेगा. और ई-कंस्ट्रक्ट में जब से कंपनी चालू हुए हैं तब से हम लोगों ने किसी को भी डिस्काउंट नहीं दिया है, बिकॉज वी टेक द सेम प्राइसिंग फ्रॉम ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, वेदर इट इज़ इंटरनेशनल एडमिशन, लोकल एडमिशन. आप भारत के किसी भी कोने से बात कर रहे हैं, अफ्रीका से बात कर, फ्रॉम वेर एवर यू आर फ्रॉम, एक्चुअली सेम फीस वी विल बी charging. Another thing is actually you will see that what kind of, these are the different types of projects and all you will be doing that we have seen. What all the things will be there? 100% placement guarantee के साथ है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोगों ने खाली बताया ये किया वो किया, नहीं, प्लेसमेंट गारंटी. और ऐसा नहीं है कि तू कैसे 10-15 हज़ार रुपये का सैलरी मिलेगा, काफ़ी अच्छा MNC में जॉब मिलेगा आपको. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ लाइव प्रोजेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस. देन यू विल हैव द लाइव प्रोजेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस लेटर ऑल्सो विल बी देयर विथ यू. Digital library and world-class CRM software actually that you will be working on. So make sure that you will be enrolling it as soon as possible. जो दिए नीचे जो दिया हुआ जो नंबर है मैं जस्ट लिख देता हूँ 9036744017. इस नंबर के व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर एक्चुअली आप प्लीज़ पिंग कर दीजिए. then you will getting this kind of things. ओके सो निमित भाई बोल रहे हैं एक्चुअली सर लिफ्ट आउट प्रॉब्लम. हाँ यस, चिराग ने यस लिफ्ट आउट हो गया, करेक्ट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन दे दिया उन्होंने, वेरी गुड. ओके निमित सिंह एक्चुअली सेइंग दैट लर्न FIDIC books. Actually I want to learn the FIDIC books. Honestly I do not know about it. I need to investigate what is all this. Okay, so you can see that these are the terms and conditions and all. Actually this will be there on the website in no time. Okay, maybe before the end of tomorrow you will be having this. So this particular course is basically the engineering drawing, master study in engineering drawing and drafting. Okay, काफ़ी अच्छा कोर्स है. बिलीव मी बहुत जन के पास रिक्वायरमेंट है, बहुत जन के पास. ओके तो सारे लोगों को इस पर्टिकुलर बैच में जो इनरोल कर रहे हैं उन लोगों को 100% जॉब की गारंटी के साथ हम लोग ये कोर्स लेके आ रहे हैं. मेक श्योर दैट एक्चुअली यू कैन डू दिस एंड यू आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर दिस. ओके 50% डिस्काउंट हम लोग कभी भी नहीं देते, किसी को भी नहीं. इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स को दे रहे हैं एंड 6 महीने के अंदर आपको ये जॉब लग जाएगी. ठीक है. इंडिया के अंदर इंटरनेशनली भी, दुबई में भी हमारे काफ़ी सारे कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं एक्चुअली, वहाँ पे भी ये जॉब लग सकती है अगर आपके पास कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, हिंदी, काफ़ी सारे लोगों को हिंदी भाषा के अंदर ही बात कर सकते हैं, दे कैन नॉट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन लिटिल बिट अबाउट द कम्युनिकेशन, दैट ऑल्सो विल टीच यू. Okay, you have to just pack your bags and come to Bangalore and apply for this particular thing and start working on it. If you cannot pack your bags and come to Bangalore, you can do this in the online. If you are not able to do it in online, तो आपको यहाँ पे भी आना है, ऑनलाइन पे भी करना है, तो हाइब्रिड में भी ये कोर्स कर सकते हैं. यू कम हियर फॉर अ मंथ, rest 5 months you can do it in online, or you can do this actually fully in online for 5 months, and last month you can come to Bangalore and wrap it up certain things and finish it off. All right, so 6 महीने में आपका करियर इमिडिएटली चालू हो जाएगा अच्छी खासी एमएनसी में. ठीक है. All right, so कोई डाउट्स, कुछ चीज़ें पूछनी है किसी को? थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी. आई एम सॉरी आई वॉज लिटिल लेट, दैट्स वाई एक्चुअली द numbers are little less for the online people, but I'm sure that they will be watching the recordings and all. All right, so thank you so much everybody. Yeah, so I'll be there in Pune tomorrow. If somebody really want to talk to me in Maharashtra, in Pune, okay, we are going to go to Nikmar for the interview round sessions. So if you guys wanted to meet us, talk to us personally, you can, just ping us on the WhatsApp of the same number. Okay, we'll try to meet and catch up some of you guys. All right, so thank you so much. Bye bye. We will be there for 3-4 days, I guess. All right, thank you so much. Bye. Good night. Bye bye.